Oh my god, so I should have been recording this whole morning. I missed my flight this morning. Now I'm on this little ass plane. This plane is so small. So I'm finally on the plane, finally on my way back to Dallas, but I have to stop in Salt Lake City now, so please pray for me. Oh my gosh, I finally landed in Dallas. Today was a long day. I can't believe I missed my flight this morning. But now I'm finally back in DFW. It's been a long time coming. I was out of town for like almost 3 weeks. Whew. It's time for this bob to go. It's getting stiff. I think I'm gonna go back to the curly. And right now, I'm just waiting for my sister to come pick me up. She should have been here like 25 minutes ago, but she already know how it goes. I'm about to start lying to her and telling her to come places like 30 minutes before, because that's the only way she's gonna make it on time. Here's that little heathen rolling up, 30 minutes late. I have finally been picked up like 45 minutes after I was supposed to be picked up, but that's not even true. It's okay. I ain't got nothing to do today anyways.
Keep right.
What you talking about?
Keep right.
What'd you say? Say it again. Okay.
Keep right.
I've had this hair on for like a month. I can't wait to take it down and get my hair redone.
Use the left lane to take a slight left turn towards South Exit and rental cars.
Look at this skin though. Guys, so today I decided to take myself out on a little date. Kind of not a date, a little Starbucks studying session by myself. So I'm in a really bougie area of Dallas, so I came to the Highland Park Village to study at Starbucks because I've been reading a lot of self-help books, and it says you need to surround yourself with people that have what you want. Well, no, let me not say it like that. You need to, like, what you are, you need to surround yourself around those people. So there's a lot of successful people that hang out around here, so this is where I want to study for my real estate exam, around a bunch of successful people. Maybe I might meet someone, I might be able to network, I don't know. I brought my business cards with me, so we'll just see how this goes today. So first things first, I'm gonna go into Starbucks and get me a drink. So I'm gonna try the keto version of the pink drink. That's one of my favorite drinks from Starbucks, but obviously I can't drink that because there's a lot of sugar in it. So I'm gonna attempt to order the keto version. So let's see how that goes, and let's see how this tastes. Hi. Okay, I kind of have like a weird request. Okay, so let's just see how this tastes when I get it. Y'all like these lashes that I'm wearing? They're from my last collection on my site, so check these out. These are in the style T. These are my favorite ones. You know what? I think I'm also gonna order something to eat because I didn't really eat anything this morning. Okay, so I got this too, meat and cheese, because I didn't really eat anything this morning and I'm kind of hungry. Okay, so it just got extremely cold out here, so I had to bring out my jacket. But anyways, so I just got the drink. Let's see how it tastes. So this is the keto version of the pink drink. So the ingredients are just the regular passion iced tea, sugar-free, 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla, heavy cream, and a scoop of the dried strawberries. So it's like basically the same thing, but not really, just the sugar-free version. That's delicious. That was good. I really like this. Yeah, this is good. I'll definitely recommend this. But it's so cold out here now that I literally can't drink it right now. I have to wait till the sun comes back out or something. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna get to work on my website and study a couple of things in my real estate courses. So I'll get back to you when I get a little hungry. I'm gonna just probably walk over to one of these restaurants and have lunch by myself. So honestly, it's so cold out here that I have to go inside. I'm about to go inside of Starbucks to work. Ooh, it was literally not this cold when I first got here.
They touch me in a rush. Nobody touch me in a crisis. I believe all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my passion. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration.
Okay, this is so much better for me. It is actually comfortable inside here. It's not too cold. It was a little bit too cold outside for me to do some work out there. So now I'm more comfortable. I can work in here. I can eat my little meat and cheese. And I can actually drink this. It's actually really good. This is so good, I might get another one. But if it does warm up, I am gonna go back outside because I do want to be seen because I look cute. But yeah, well, let me get to work and do what I came here to do.
You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had.
So I'm finally done with my work and studying. So now I'm about to go have a drink at this bar right across the street. It's walking distance from here. So the restaurant is called Bistro 31, but I'm about to go upstairs to the bar to Lounge 31 and have me a drink by myself, and maybe I'll meet somebody. I don't know, but I'm about to head over there now. Okay, so I just got this cute lounge. It's called Lounge 31. It's on top of Bistro 31, and I just ordered me a drink, and I think I might order some oysters. Yeah, I'm gonna get some oysters and probably some edamame if they have that. No, they don't have edamame. Oh, they do have edamame. So I'm gonna order some oysters and edamame. Maybe a salad. Yeah, it's all like bar food here. Downstairs is the actual restaurant, but it's super cute in here. Even though they sat me away from everyone, so I don't really have anyone to meet, but it's whatever. Thank you. So I got an oyster shot. I didn't know it was gonna be an actual shot though. So this is what's in my oyster shot. Okay, so there's a quail egg, caviar, masago, scallion, and sriracha sauce. Okay, so it looks like this. So you can see the egg right there. There's an oyster in there. I see all the caviar in there. And then a cucumber garnish. So I'm about to take this oyster shot. I truly didn't know it was an actual shot. I thought it was just like oyster on the shell with all the stuff on top of it. Cheers. Oh my god. I didn't even take that. Hold it.
Yeah. Actually, yes. That's what I was going. That's what I'm going for. I'm really glad. Where's all the
I don't even really have a critique on that shot because I couldn't really taste it. I think it's low-key pointless to like swallow oysters whole. I think you should probably chew them so you can taste the flavor. I mean, I like the flavor of oysters, but yeah, that was like pointless because I didn't taste anything except for the sriracha. It was a little spicy. I probably won't do that again. I'm about to eat. And I'll get back to you guys when I get back in the car because I'm about to grub right now. Okay, so I was gonna leave, but I have not even finished my drink yet. I'm struggling drinking this drink. So for some reason, ever since I lost, I am not focused. For some reason, ever since I lost all my weight, I cannot drink anymore. Like, this is my first drink. I've only had like 3 sips and I'm like, but I got some Oyster. And those are my favorites. So I'm about to grow on these oysters and then I'm gonna go. Alright, I just left the restaurant. Walking back to my car. It's so gloomy outside today. And I didn't really meet anyone, but I still had a good time by myself. I guess I'll just go home now because I don't have anything else to do. But today was a good day of like self-care. Why am I so out of breath from walking literally like 20 feet? But this Starbucks over here is real cool. I'm gonna definitely come back over here the next time I study. This is a little cute little area. Hey guys, I just wanted to come back one more time to show you that, look, I did my hair. I installed a wig successfully for the first time. I literally cannot believe I did this. I'm so proud of myself. I am getting my hair done professionally on Tuesday, but I did get rid of that tired little bob. It was time for it to come down, and I put on one of my old curly wigs, and it just looks so good. I can't believe I did this. So if you want me to do a tutorial of installing a wig, comment below. I want to know. It was my... Ooh. Yeah, you know, maybe I won't do a tutorial on it because I'm not a pro yet, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that I did my own hair for the first time and it came out looking good. But yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching my vlog and I hope to see you back in my next one. Love ya.